How to add and enable free VPN on Windows 11. In today's video, we're going to walk you through how to set up and enable a free VPN on your Windows 11 PC. A VPN is a great way to protect your privacy online, and we'll show you a simple way to get it working without spending any money. So let's get started. To begin, right-click on the Start menu and open the Settings. Now in the Settings window, click on Network and Internet on the left-hand sidebar. Once you're in the Network and Internet section, scroll down and click on VPN. This will open the settings for any VPN connections on your computer. Now click on Add VPN under the VPN section. This is where we'll add the free VPN connections. Now you'll need to enter some details to set up the VPN connection. Here's some information you'll need to enter for Proton VPN. In the VPN provider, simply type or choose Windows built-in. For connection name, enter a name for your connection like Proton VPN. Now enter the server address provided by your VPN provider. And on VPN type, choose IKEv2. This is commonly used and secure. And on type of sign-in info, choose username and password. Then enter the username and password you received when you created your free VPN account with Proton VPN. Once you've entered the required details, just click on Save, and you should now see your new VPN connection listed under the VPN section.